The power of glaciers. So look, check this out. So look, this area is called El Capitan, and 30,000 years ago there was a glacier. All this valley right here between the mountains was full of glacier, like ice, and it melted, and the lake was created, and the glacier melted.
This is a perfect place to go panning for gold. I saw some sparkling gold.
Okay.
There's little pieces of gold, but
Okay.
so gold.
Careful, Jet. Don't fall. Oh, Jet. No, no.
But you see those little sparkling gold?
Yeah. It might be fool's gold, Jet.
Yeah.
Wow. Water here is so clean. Right down there, panning for gold. Yeah, we need more dirt though. There are too many rocks here.
What?
If there was more dirt, yeah. So nice. So peaceful here. Still some snow up there, up in the mountains. Oh, I don't know. I wonder why there's this growth on the trees. Some of the trees here, they have these bumps. Some of them looks like butts, some of them look like a pimple, some of them looks like faces. I wonder what that is. Oh, and look at the branch growing from the side.
Whoa.
On the bottom. Yeah, is it the same tree? Wow, that's a weird. Usually trees grow branches on top, way up there. I never seen tree branch growing on the bottom of the trunk.
No success of finding gold.
No gold
I
yet.
found fool's gold.
Fool's gold.
Right
Let me
there.
see. I think that's just the.
Dong.
I think you have fool's gold on your finger. Right there. So look at the shiny there.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
There's fool's gold. Everywhere. Oh, look at me.
to Gilmok, the corner place, Korean barbecue place here in LA. It's one of the most popular Korean barbecue, one of the first ones that started Korean barbecue trend in US. Let me just show you around the neighborhood. I was kind of afraid that we're not gonna have parking space here. The parking was so tight, but this place has plenty of parking at this hour. It's about 3:30 p.m. on Thursday. There's a massage place next door, water store, and let's go. My family's already inside cooking, so let's see. Let's check out the inside the restaurant. I'll show you around. So we ordered some kalbi, which is the ribs. And this time they actually gave us the boneless ribs, which is my favorite. So we just cooked some first batch of kalbi here. 나눠 먹을게요. And here's the menu. Put it up here so you can see. So one we order was the premium kalbi. It was $52.95. For the price, these days, this is actually good portions. I was surprised. And we just ordered one of. This is the 동치미국수, or as we call it cold noodle in soup in English. Here's some side dishes here. So here in this place, the cold noodle in soup, or 동치미국수 in Korean, and kalbi combo is a must. That's why many people are here. That's why we're here. Okay, and that one looks pretty good.
Okay. I'm really bad at chocolate.
He wants that one. Okay. Let's see, close up. It's pretty good. Cool. Let's go from here. It's fogging up, okay? So try it. Let me see. Tell me how it is. How is it? Eat it with some rice.
It's worth the whole trip.
Yeah. Okay, so it's my turn. I'm gonna try this one right here. How it looks. Oh my god.
I told you it was worth the whole trip.
Whoa. Oh wow. So juicy. Some rice. And let's get the combo. Oh, that's so good. I'm gonna try this one with this. You can eat it like this too. The soup. Oh man, it's so good. I'm also gonna try 곰탕. So 곰탕 is number 19 here, $16.95. In English it says, oh yeah, same 곰탕, tripe and beef soup. On a cold day, cold rainy day, this is the best. Get some rice in here. Put all the rice. Okay, that's good for now. more soup. One more scoop. Oh man, so good. Oh man, everything's so soft. Try this with this.
That's the whole portion.
How is it, Ted? So good? Bye, Gilmok.
Hi, Gilmo.
Thank you for good food.